10 fascinating facts about ravens. 1. Ravens have the ability to mimic human speech. Ravens in captivity can talk better than some parrots and mimic various sounds from car engines to flushing toilets. They even imitate wolves or foxes to attract them to carcasses they can't open. Clever and resourceful, ravens use their skills to get leftovers from larger predators like wolves. 2. Ravens appear in many of the world's mythologies. From Tibet to Greece, ravens have been seen as messengers for gods. Celtic war goddesses transformed into ravens in battles, while Odin, the Viking god, had 2 ravens reporting daily observations. Chinese myths linked ravens to forest warnings of passing gods, and Native American cultures view ravens as clever tricksters involved in world creation. 3. Ravens engage in peculiar behaviors with ants. Ravens engage in a peculiar behavior called anteing, lying in ant hills and rolling around to let ants swarm on them. They may also chew up ants and rub their guts on feathers. This behavior, observed in some songbirds, crows, and jays, has unclear purposes, from acting as insecticides to providing soothing secretions for molting. Theories suggest it might even be a mild addiction, but one thing is clear, it feels great for the birds. 4. Ravens enjoy playing. Ravens in Alaska and Canada turn snow-covered roofs into slides, while those in Maine roll down snowy hills. They engage in playful games like keep away with wolves, otters, and dogs. Remarkably, ravens exhibit rare toy-making behavior using sticks, pine cones, golf balls, or rocks to play with one another or alone. They also enjoy taunting or mocking other creatures for amusement. 5. Ravens display empathy towards their fellow ravens. Ravens, despite their mischievous side, display signs of empathy. If a raven's friend loses a fight, they show consoling behavior. Additionally, ravens remember birds they like and maintain a friendly response to specific birds for years. While they are known for forming an unkindness in groups, their behavior suggests a complex and social nature. 6. Ravens can thrive in various environments due to their adaptability. Ravens have thrived evolutionarily, adapting to diverse habitats like snow, deserts, mountains, and forests. As scavengers, their diet ranges from fish and meat to seeds, fruit, carrion, and garbage. Skilled tricksters, they employ tactics like distraction to steal food from other animals. With few predators, ravens boast a remarkable lifespan of 17 years in the wild and up to 40 years in captivity. 7. Ravens often travel in groups, forming what could be considered teenage gangs. Ravens form lifelong bonds, living in pairs within a designated territory. However, the rebellious teenage phase involves young ravens leaving home to join gangs, where they live and eat together until they eventually mate and establish pairs. Surprisingly, living among fellow teenagers appears to stress ravens, as evidenced by higher stress hormone levels in their droppings compared to mated adults. 8. Ravens communicate using hand gestures. It turns out that ravens make very sophisticated non-vocal signals according to researchers. In other words, they gesture to communicate. A study in Austria found that ravens point with their beaks to indicate an object to another bird just as we do with our fingers. They also hold up an object to get another bird's attention. This is the first time researchers have observed naturally occurring gestures in any animal other than primates. 9. In the past, certain European cultures considered ravens to be symbols of evil in disguise. Throughout history, some European cultures considered ravens ominous. In France, they were seen as wicked priest souls, while in Germany, they were linked to damned souls or Satan. In Sweden, night-croaking ravens were thought to be murdered souls without proper burials. Danish lore warned against looking at night ravens, fearing a transformation if one peered through a hole in their wing. 10. Ravens are highly intelligent birds. Ravens are like smart teenagers who play, imitate us, and even have their own gangs. They use hand gestures, show empathy, and adapt to different places. In the past, some thought they were evil, but now we know they're fascinating and love to have fun, even with ants. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thank you for watching.